Welcome back to the next video on the GR86. I think the last video left off on me talking about the turbo, how it's bad and all that, and we're gonna get it repaired, scratch all of that. My thought is might as well just put up the extra cost for it, get a brand new turbo, and one that could potentially make more power in the future too. But for now, at least we'll have that extra headroom on the turbo. We're gonna be waiting for that. Since we do have to wait on the turbo and all that, move the car back to stock, intake and everything. A couple things that we do have to look out for in today's video is the oil return line. We have it off the turbo right now, but it's still connected to the oil pan. Oil theoretically shouldn't come out of here because no pressure is going to be pushed out of the oil pan for it, but we're going to just keep an eye on it on the startup, make sure no oil comes out first, and then if that's the case and it's good, we're going to just let the engine run for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to drain the oil out. Once we do that, we'll just plug up the oil return line on the bottom. So yeah, we're going to do that real quick. The other thing we're going to look out for is, since I have the upgraded radium fuel pressure regulator, it's not going to be automatically running OEM fuel pressure. So once the car is kind of running and everything, we're going to have to check that down there and then adjust the pressure as needed. Hopefully it runs perfectly normal. There's no turbo to be burning up oil now. Oh, we're also draining the coolant too after the 15-minute startup idle thing. Yeah, let's get into it.
A few moments later.
Go, y'all. Running good. Yeah. So far, no leaks though, and then like so, it looks fine. Last time we did have a cooling leak, so I centered down bits, but they're not seated properly completely. But yeah, now it's pretty good. The old coolant burned off. I don't see any new coolant. We're gonna basically let it run for another like 10 minutes or so, and then we're gonna do a full flush, like I said, coolant and oil flush, and then put in new stuff. That way it's completely brand new oil for the first drive, which will probably be later in this video, but we'll see. So yeah, just gonna let it idle for now. Excited? Hell yeah, bro. I'm gonna finally drive this. This thing can finally leave this garage. Hopefully. We still gotta look at that oil. So far, everything's looking good. We mentioned that we were gonna upgrade my turbo. So I have a GTX 31. What is it? What's the size? What's your turbo size?
3076.
3076R. GTX 3076R. Garrett turbo coming in. So it's gonna be a much bigger turbo than what I had initially when I first boosted the car, meaning it is going to be able to push more power at less PSI in a sense, but also at the same time it's not going to have the quick torque like the other one, which will be in a way a little safer for the car as well. I mean, with this build motor it would be able to handle the other turbo no problem anyways, but I also just going to light a bigger turbo because bigger turbo equal bigger dick. But yeah, we're gonna do our first drive tonight. We're kind of on a base tune right now, just to be able to drive the car around to break in the engine, and then once that's done, then we'll actually get it fully dyno tuned. For now, for today's video, it's just gonna be a nice little chill drive, but honestly I'll take it over not being able to drive it, not being able to start the car, not being able to hear it for the longest time. So super excited, super stoked. Hope you guys are excited for the journey. It's coming along, y'all. It's been a long time coming.
And we can finally go to Seaside together. I'm not driving the boat of us. So I'm excited.
Oh, this car is never going to Seaside ever again.
Oh yeah, I forgot that's where it happened. We're on our way to Seaside.
On a side note though, this car sounds so good, especially in the garage. You just hear the rumble, like it sounds so, it's like all around. I don't know if you guys hear it. I don't think the camera will do it justice, but it sounds good. Better with the turbo though.
That was the tournament.
Give it a little gas. The gas pedal works, guys. All right, y'all. Hopefully I don't stall right here. The gas is like a little weird. Holy shit, we're driving. We're moving. Oh my god. Wait, this car's actually moving again. This is crazy. Dude, this car hasn't seen the road in like forever. I feel like I've said it so many times, but like now that we're actually on the road and driving, this is crazy. Oh my god, we're going like 15 miles per hour, but I feel like we're flying.
That's crazy. This thing's moving again.
Holy crap! Oh my god! Holy shit! I'm actually driving this car again. Dude, it honestly, like, it feels like I feel like I'm at place. Like I am where I belong. I'm about to get Josh's reaction to the car being back after it being gone for almost a full entire year. He's gonna head over right now, so let's see what he thinks about the car being back.
Oh shit! Wait, no, but I gotta hear it start. Crazy, bro. I haven't seen this car in this garage in so long.
He hasn't even seen
This
the
is
car in so
crazy.
long. Like, it's been sitting at Derek's house for the longest time.
This is like weird.
I know, right? We got it started like 2 days ago now. I've been driving it for like the past 2 days so far. But look at the front though. It's kind of sad for now.
Oh.
No boost.
Hey, but at least it works.
Yeah, I'm just breaking the engine on stock. I'm actually getting a new turbo because my other turbo was messed up too.
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting a new one, but it's a much bigger turbo too. So.
Dude, that's crazy. I haven't seen this in so long.
No.
That's crazy, dude.
Yeah,
That's so exciting.
Neighborhood's gonna be so pissed.
I know, dude. For a year, they're probably like, dude, he probably got
They
rid
just
of the
moved.
car.
They just moved in.
Oh, these are different people. Damn.
They're probably, oh, nice quiet neighborhood.
Yeah, they're like quiet different.
All right, not how good the framing is, but I am headed right now to pick up someone very special who you guys haven't seen in a while. I'm sure you can guess who it is, but headed to the airport right now. One thing though, he doesn't know the 86 is back up and running, and that's what I'm picking him up in, obviously. So it's gonna be a little surprise. We're gonna get his reaction to the car being back finally, he hasn't been able to ride it, he hasn't been able to hear it, he hasn't been able to see any of that in a long time. So
our special, not guest, but special person who is showing up today has just landed. I made it to the airport, parked up waiting for him. Hopefully I don't miss his reaction because he could just walk up out of nowhere. He asked what car I was driving. Loki almost gave it away because I was like, oh, the 86. There he is. That's the guy. That's who he is. That's who's here. It's Matthew. Look, it's Matthew.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Your car! That's crazy, bro. Wait, it's done?
Yeah, it's driving.
That's crazy. I thought it was like still not working.
No, dude, it's been working for like a week and a half, 2 weeks almost.
Oh, fuck. That's crazy. Wait, I didn't actually expect that. That's crazy, bro.
I was just telling him how you just asked me what car I came in, and I almost gave it away when you were talking on the phone.
I haven't seen this car on the street in a year.
I know. It's crazy. You haven't rode in like over here because you didn't even ride in my car. Yeah, it's back.
Yeah, that's actually crazy.
It's so like dirty and messed up though. The wrap is all messed up.
Really?
Yeah, look, it's peeling right here.
Oh, that's crazy.
And then even like when you wash it, it's like sun damage and shit, but it's alright.
I guess you gotta get another wrap.
Yeah, at some point. Alright, editing this video, and I realized that we did not film an outro. This was the last clip that was filmed. Basically, the rest of the night was just me, Matt, and Derek. We met up with Derek, hanging out, and just catching back up, just because we haven't seen him in a while. As some of you may know, he moved to Washington not too long ago. But yeah, we basically just hung out, didn't do much. So this is pretty much the end of this video. Two little updates. We do have a turbo coming in tomorrow for the GR86, which contemplating on installing it. I'm still within my break-in period, but I could technically install it still and just not run any boost. But for just the sounds, you'll get a little sound still. So I'm probably going to do it just for fun and to show you guys. That video should be also coming soon. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys were excited for the first drive on the GR86. I know I was for sure. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you guys enjoy our content. Peace.